Good morning, guys. We're going to be starting our study of ancient Indian geography right now. I need you to open your textbooks to pages 132 and 133. What you'll notice after you've opened up your textbook is that we have a physical map on the left on page 132, and we have two political maps on the bottom of page 133. We do have our text to read on top of 133, so we're going to talk about the maps and look at the maps first. And then I'm going to have you guys do some reading and some activities with the information that we get from that reading. So first step, let's look at the map on page 132, the big physical map. You'll notice that we have a bunch of varieties of elevation. We have some really high elevation with Mount Everest in the Himalayan mountains, and we have some really low elevation near the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Indus rivers. And I want you to focus your attention on the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Indus rivers because those are three major rivers that we're going to be looking at in depth during this chapter. Over on the right on page 133, what you can see is that we have two empire maps, political maps that show how big a certain group of people was or what the borders of an empire were. They happened during different times, and what we see is that the Mauryan Empire happened way, way, way before the Gupta Empire, but they have pretty similar areas that they were controlling. So as we're looking through our chapter on geography, what I want you to be thinking about is why these empires grew where they did, how those geographic figures influenced where the empires went. So now I want you to take a little bit of time to read the information on page 133, and you're going to use that information to do a couple of activities with online and on paper.